Hey everyone, welcome to our latest video comparing the Instant Vortex 4-in-1 and the Ninja DZ550 Foodi. We'll be breaking down each product by category to give you a comprehensive comparison. If you enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more great content. Both appliances offer air fry, bake, roast, and reheat capabilities. However, the Instant Vortex wins in terms of customizable programs for one-touch wings, roasted veggies, garlicky potatoes, cookies, cinnamon buns, and more. Even Crisp technology also ensures a perfect golden finish and crispy, tender results every time. The Ninja Foodi, on the other hand, offers more options with 6 versatile cooking programs including dehydrating and a larger XL10 QT capacity with 2 baskets, perfect for large family meals. Both products offer fast cooking times. However, the Ninja Foodi is faster and can cook 2 6-pound chickens up to 30% faster than a traditional oven, which is a great option for those who want to save time. The Instant Vortex also has fast preheating and can create gourmet meals with a wide temperature range of 120 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. The Ninja Foodi has a larger 10 QT capacity, making it ideal for large family meals or up to 8 lbs of chicken wings. The Instant Vortex is a kitchen must-have and perfect for quick, delicious meals and preparing side dishes, appetizers, wings, and more. It is great for 1 to 2 servings. The Ninja Foodi wins in terms of smart features, offering the smart cook system that achieves perfect doneness with the integrated Foodi Smart Thermometer at the touch of a button. The DualZone technology unlocks cooking 2 foods 2 ways that finish at the same time, or easily copies settings across zones for full 10 QT capacity. The IQ Boost optimally distributes power across each basket to cook a 6 lb whole chicken and side as quickly as possible when match cook or smart finish is not selected. The Instant Vortex has built-in safety features like overheat protection and auto-off to keep your mind at ease. Both products have non-stick, dishwasher-safe air fry baskets and trays, but the Ninja Foodi stands out with its additional dishwasher-safe crisper plates. Overall, both products are easy to clean and maintain. The Instant Vortex 4-in-1 is priced at $39, while the Ninja DZ550 Foodi is priced at $249. If you're looking for an affordable kitchen must-have that can cook delicious meals for 1 to 2 servings, Instant Vortex is a great option. However, if you want more advanced and larger cooking capabilities with smart features, the Ninja Foodi is worth the investment. That wraps up our comparison between the Instant Vortex 4-in-1 and the Ninja DZ550 Foodi. Both products have their pros and cons, so it all comes down to personal preferences and needs. We hope this video was helpful, and if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more great content.